Apple MFi certified. Ensures complete compatibility with iPhone 13, 12, 11, 13, 12, 11 Pro, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, 13, 12 Mini, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 sevenths Plus, 7 sixths S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6 fifths S, 5C, 5, iPhone SE 1, SE 2, iPad Pro, 12, 9 in, 10, 5 in, 9, 7 in, iPad Pro 2, 12, 9 in, iPad Air, Air 2, Air 3, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 3, Mini 4, Mini 5, iPad 9th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. Durable design. Rated to withstand 20,000 bends at 95 degrees. Added layer of protection to both ends. Easy fit. Small connector head fits most phone cases. In the box. 3-foot double nylon braided USB-A to lightning charging cable, 2-pack, dark gray. Top reviews from the United States. Nearly indestructible, and trust me, I tried lol. Performance-wise comparatively to Apple's luxuriously priced cables? It's honestly better. I still had my lightning speed charging. The durability factor just makes this cable trump Apple pretty badly. Try out this cable, and you'll just wonder, what's your problem, Apple? Everything okay at home? I think not. I love this cable. Besides function, it's pretty lol. I purchased the pink one, and I love it. It's true to color of the images shown. It has a nice satin sheen to it that makes the color pop a bit more. Anyway, I purchased my cable May 19, 2020. I usually destroy my phone cables every 3 months or less. I also continue to use my very sketchy, damaged cable for a good month before frustration gets me to finally buy its replacement. Today on November 15th, I finally said goodbye to this cable. I continued to use it while damaged for about 1 week at most. After having the experience of using a high-quality cable, why put yourself through any amount of time salvaging through its precarious connection abilities? But, technically, I personally am not entirely at fault on this one. My rabbit chewed it. He didn't just chew it once either lol, there's 5 bite marks on it. Rabbits will chew through things within seconds, but not this cable. He actually never chewed all the way through either. It was ruffled, so to speak. But after 3 weeks of bending the cable at those compromised points, the internal wires finally ripped. And this entire experience is why I am writing an extensive review on a cable of all things lol.